How you doing, folks? Welcome back. I had a round piece of wood, like a little tabletop that I wasn't doing nothing with, so I spray painted it, put it on the spin table. It's not quite centralised, but you know what? I'm just going to go for it anyway because, why not? So let's kick this thing off. Here we go. Going to finish this one in a flat black. Right, this is spray, see what it looks like. Right. Beep, 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 beep. Up we go. Boop. Ooh, I think I missed the spout. No, that'll do it. Yup, that'll do it. Alright, so we'll just let this go tacky. I'll swing you guys around. Blah, 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 blah. For the great reveal. Alright. I think we're nearly ready to go. Something about that black paint and the silver paint, it dries quicker. I don't understand it. Chemical reaction thing, I guess. But I think we're nearly good to go. We'll give it a countdown from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, Now the reason I keep hosing it off, you might think he's already hosed it off, why does he keep doing it? Soap gets trapped. There's like little crevices and it just, if you don't get rid of it all and you try and clear coat it, weird stuff happens. So that's why I spend a little bit of extra time doing this now. So you watch it froth up a bit. There's a little bit of detergent left. As I keep hosing it, it just gets less and less detergent bubbles coming up, and I know, well, we're nearly done. Yeah, so that's mostly just water now coming up, except over here a bit. That'll do it. Here and you guys look. Yeah, that came out cool. I like it. So here we go. Bring you guys back out. Yep, this one, standing above it, this is one of those ones that look three-dimensional, like you could fall into it. It's such a weird effect. When you're standing off at an angle, not so much, but when you look directly down into it, it's just this weird thing. It's like you can nearly fall into it. I love it. Here you go. Oh God, I'm stupid. Anyway, this one looks really cool. I really like it. In fact, might be so bold as to source some glass for it and protect it with some glass and make it a little coffee table of some weirdness. That could be a fun project. But just want to say thanks for stopping by and checking it out, and thanks to all the people that have subscribed. You're awesome sauce. See you all next time.